A hero in the making. You are more than just a girl. Hurt but hasn't died. Carries her scars with pride. She's been cut with hatefulness, but heart still burns the flame. She's been cut.
Good morning, all my lovely family, all my friends. Thank you for being with me. I'm just doing this short video to remind them that we are in another man's land. I'm in Germany. I live in Germany. I base in Germany. And I'm laying curse upon the German people in Africa. And I'm laying curse upon the German people in all over the country that went to another man's country. They shall die there the way they kill our people here. Yeah. Unless if they stop killing our black people, they shall go there. They shall come back to their country. But if they start, if they did not stop to take our children from us in their country, if our government did not take their children also, they will take their children. Every Dutch people that live in Africa that have a complaint there, by the time they are coming back, they shall die by plane crash because their people used to kill us here. They used to deceive our men. They used to give our men drugs that will kill them. They used to bribe the doctor that will kill them. They used to give us a local house, a dirty house, a house that they cannot live. They used to deny us of our men. They use us to turn to single mother because of their benefit they are going to collect. Because when you are a single mother, they are going to benefit from you. When you are a married woman, they will not benefit nothing from you. Yeah. And you black people, that is not saying the right truth. The black people that are in Europe, the Benin people are in the Europe. If I say black people, I must say the country. Because Igbo people, they're not the mumu. Now only Igbo people when they other medication, like psych medication, now they work for live video. Like Agbo people when they work for live video now, Agbo people when they other medication, psych medication, now they work. Benin way they work for live video. Now Benin way they or study medication. Now they work for Europe. Benin, mostly Benin. Benin way they Europe. They swear for una. Una not to love una self. They don't change it. All back home, it costs. That man don't try for Benin. All back don't try for Benin. All back don't try for Benin. At least it costs. Me una not they do a shower again for Europe. It costs. Me una not they kill una self. Me una they have unity. They wait to una one make that man do. Oba don't be government oh. Oba don't be government. Oba they peer. Benin people go they claim say if they reach anywhere na they be senior. How una they be senior? Who una don't lost? No be it which day they return on a property when they don't thief for Africa. May you know say, may you know Benin have ancestor. May you know say Benin have strong charm. That Benin the charm when they get, you know go do them bad. May you go free. Now be Benin people. If you do Benin person anything bad, in future you must come across trouble. Now make German people return Benin back, goose back. You know why German people return the goods of Benin back? Because they don't they go face a lot. They don't know say very soon this country will be destroyed by water, German country. Because a lot of innocent blood there. The single mother where they don't kill, all of them they verse for where they did. They agree make single mother they come, but they kill them, collect their children from them. That is the secret the world never know. That is why they never allow you to be with a man. By the time you be with a man, they will give you stress. You will not know anything, you go turn to talk active. Idiot. Somebody like the Richard, when guys they say na enoge. Somebody like a bright when mama be beer parlor seller. After if mama sell beer parlor finish from there na bako join her. Bright when be say get igbe you want not be even man half man among of the man. Man when be say no get sense. When lack of memory, lack of wisdom. Una need to wake up, and I need people. If you know you live in Germany, you base in Germany, I need you. I will put my number there. Call me. Let's vote. Let's do your riot. If you know you are a single mother, come. Let's do riot. Let us put the stop from taking child from a single mother. For them to deport our husband from us. To deport any black man that give us belle, even though he never married us, to deport her to another country. May we come do riot put. Come. Call my number, we fix date, we do riot, we go their office. Then they chop person. Silent, he go kill you. Me, I declare Reverend Mother, they declare silent. I say people not value Reverend Mother. That is why I go use strong teeth to fight them. I go use spiritual. Now I'm a spiritual woman. I don't be Reverend Mother anymore. I changed my topic. This spiritual one fight. I believe on spiritual. But I put God first. Because God is the number one. That is why by the time if I deal with the finishing spiritual, I will still repent again. I will give my life to God. But I know, you know me say, I not serve my ancestor, I not serve my juju. Baby, come and open this door. Because the food is woozy, the pepper is disturbing me. German people, you think you are wise. You take our children from us. You deny us of our happiness. Then you have your happiness. The time I've given birth, you are giving birth to a cat. The time I've given birth, you are giving birth to a dog. And when my child is very young, you did not come and assist me of help. By the time he grow up, he's become a man. I came your country, I did not give birth to this child here. I give birth in Morocco. I just give birth to one child in your country. I have 4 kids here. But the rest kids are not here. I give birth to only one. That is the last baby. Then, you are not claiming that you love my soul more than me. Before, you accuse me of beating. Later, you change the topic that I'm a good woman and you just want to help me. I don't need your help. Bring back my soul for me. Stop giving birth to a dog. Stop giving birth to a cat. Go and born. Stop putting her in another man's weight. What do you do for me? You think you give me benefit? What kind of benefit do you give me? Look at Mumu people. The Mumu people that say that German people used to pay benefit. What benefit? A benefit that you sweat for? A benefit that will draw your blood like 4 cans of your blood. The time you come to the country, I did not draw your blood. That blood, do you know how much it costs? That they take from you? That they take from you? Do you know? It's volunteer from the rich people that don't have children. They volunteer to help the poor. So why are you not claiming that they benefit, they give you benefit, they will take your child because they have given you money? They are workers, they are also paying them. The people that take my son, they are paying them. Yeah. The black people live in Africa. The black people live in Africa, they are very good. They are very good, but the one that live in Europe, not all. Not all. The someone when they say they on that medication. Because some of them, they on that medication. That is why they won't put their hope for everybody.